How to change font on Instagram post. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. You can do it on iPhone or Android. Make sure you log in to your account. At the bottom center, tap on the plus icon to create a new post. Select a photo or video from your gallery and tap Next. Apply any filters or edit your photo or video as desired, then tap Next again. Tap on the Write a Caption field to start writing your caption. To change the font, go back to the home screen, open your preferred browser, and go to a font generator website, like igfonts.io. Type your desired text into the font generator. Scroll through the available font styles and select one you like. Tap and hold the generated text to select it, then tap Copy. Return to the Instagram app and paste the copied text into the caption field. Add any additional hashtags or tags. At the top right, click on OK, then tap Share to post. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font on your Instagram post.